To subscribe is free.
You subscribe yet?
Fire with fire.
Hey you, tell me why you want to. Hey, me never born in the ghetto, but the ghetto raised me. Joy in me heart, so nothing no fears me. Me work for what me want, cause me no lazy. Never be a beggar, cause me so feisty. Public no trouble people, son not trouble me. Me fight fire with fire, fire, fire. Yes, me fight fire with fire, fire, fire. And it can't out with what, cause you can't cool this your fire, fire, fire. Hey.
The worst thing about people is that they like to play victim. When the fire starts to blaze, then run. But then can't run from your fire.
Public no trouble people, son not trouble me. Me fight fire with fire, fire, fire. Yes, me fight fire with fire, fire, fire. And it can't out with what, cause you can't cool this your fire, fire, fire. Hey.
Anil,
Hold on.
what you look like? What mean what one?
Want talk to me now, talk one like you don't want to talk.
No, yeah, talk to me.
My tone is standard, that's me talk on a normal basis. What now?
So yeah, talk to me like you know what, see my face.
No, because you call me. I mean, if you understand, if you call me one time, me see the missed call. You
So
understand?
you see me scar
Yes.
and then you know what I
So that's why I call you back. What you talk about? What go on now? America, what go on? Talk to me. Because every time you see me, there's a problem. There's some issue we have to deal with or some. I don't understand. Do you want to go this? What happened?
You know something I understand?
You mean you understand?
I understand. Because me a young girl, you know, not because you're up in that age and they look at something. You see, you don't want to drink, you don't want smoke, you don't want party. Me a young girl, you have to enjoy my life. So if me go for a certain way, you have to involve in the industry.
I tell you, I already said, make nobody know said me involved certain way. Me don't tell you that, I never tell you that.
You tell me that.
So make you load up a thing for the road.
Me not load up. Are you
And you give me attitude and a gesticulation of saying like something wrong. Me don't understand that.
something wrong. Because you not treat me like me a woman.
And no matter to treat you like me can't treat you so because there's a lot of things where you want me to involve. You know, me don't test. That's not my lifestyle. Me not do them sitting there, me not go a party, me not drink, me not smoke. You want me to jig up myself. Suppose one day me go to one party and one sister, one church sister or somebody go see me a pass through or some family member go see me.
But
What
you
a
go
shit.
party to see you.
I know they go there. What if them a drive and a park somewhere? That me say.
So the more partner your party for
Because I just didn't live. Because which part on the party keep? All about their community.
every week.
All me I say to you is that you need to understand yourself.
Me understand myself as you, if you understand yourself as big man. You know a young girl and can't manage young girl.
We mean one young. Me tell you something one young girl. Me tell you say the situation happened which me and I want to vibe one time when you was at the right place at the right time and sitting down. And from this you ask me I feel.
Still a go on, still a go on.
How much time you have
Because-
to do it? You just one time?
At 2 times we do it.
1.5.
1.5. Wow. But you enjoy it 2 times, 1.5 time I do it, though.
It was a very good time, I can tell. I can't complain.
Mm-hmm.
God is good. But all me I say is that when it come down to this and now, me can't do certain things. Might as well have got take a little time off and you're safe. you know, me is right for you and you is right for me, if that's the
We
case.
think you're right about that.
Eh?
Take a time off then. You mean, are you say it what your mom?
Yes, so go do it then, if that's the case. As of today, Johnny, you want Johnny?
Me not join nothing. Come here now to pick me. Me a big man.
You're a big woman and you look, make up your mind. You're what? You're a young girl, you're a big woman.
Me a young girl. But me no do them there sitting there. Them there for school days. School days gone already.
Alright, so me will call you. Here me will call you and talk to you if that's the case.
You will call me and talk to me. You gonna call me and talk to me.
You call up on your phone and talk to you what go on because me tell you, alright, I'm the kind of person where I want to like a Christian girl and it's because you hear natural, I thought that was your perspective. What me get to understand is just look at here when pull up, that's where you couldn't get to, you know, like do back here and you know you have that little person, you know, like the appearance was like that at the time. And see then now you pull up back here because you just go on party where you invite me go. I mean say me not depend that.
Listen to me. Me not fooling with no man, you know. You see, in night, you tell me, say, everything go alright, are you really there for me? Me want, me don't understand you. Me don't understand you. When me didn't even do it with you in the first place, for? Eh? If you can't stir up my brain right now, now you're going to tell me, say, go on break. It's okay. You want to go on the break.
Yes, we go up on the break, alright? So
And I'll leave you alone.
yes, so does make my phone ring on a normal basis now. Or no ring. Can you say it up on your break, right? Pick up yourself. So
And you sister.
yeah, Mrs. Alright, so just go on do your thing. See? If I saw me see you next time we talk if I saw.
Yeah, go on.
Go on,
Me
I
I
mean
tell
yard
you
me there.
sound cool, my brain.
You take time, go on.
on.
You take nobody in the damn yard. You see that I think me can't bother with it. You see, I got pull a business. I mean I tell you a thing you don't believe. I don't. See that's why right now maybe me get an age group of my own because me I tell you it's this thing I just now work for me right now. Me I tell you straight I'm plain. You can't take your because no you go want load up yourself no because me I tell you if you take time and go
So
on.
why you touch me for? You're not supposed to touch me.
Alright, you want to tell me yard? You want to tell me yard? Tell me yard.
So where you go? Oh, come here. Me and sit officer. You come here, take your time. When me come missing then, although the pan break, I still want to look at money so we can go on business.
Did you go $2,000? Yes, me get $2,000.
No
Alright.
want to know.
Me not have it for me now. Where you go do? Me I
Go
go to
pay
my
a
bank.
yard fee.
Me damn yard. You see, not understand these things. Big man not save money a yard. That's a simple thing. We use card. You
Alright
understand?
then, so when I go back, when
Me will
you
call.
what
Me will
time?
call.
Tell me
Me-
time.
We will call
You
it
work with
sometime
time.
today in the evening. I will call you and give you the
You know, so
2,000.
you're Ginal?
Hmm?
You're Ginal.
You mean Gina? How Gina come
You
later?
will say, you're going to call me today, you're not going to call me. You think me an idiot? That's why I'm going to ring down the phone until we get to know.
$2,000? You have to bring phone for $2,000? Alright, yes. Yeah.
Like $500.
Alright, me will give you money later. Alright? Yeah, pick up yourself.
Come
Yeah,
here.
Me not understand how.
This one surprising I told me tonight. So you have to add something in the pan because that can't work.
Much more than
5,000.
you know, can't work.
I don't think.
We done talk about two already, make it another two. One
No,
next,
you know what I mean?
I don't mean, it's just that means a businessman to deal with stuff on proportion, timing.
Well, you have to add something more pan.
We add 500.
500 and I cannot buy the slippers.
1,000, me a 1,000.
1,000, you have to go and dig deeper.
Alright, maybe go down back at 2,000 for some please. We don't talk.
Let's come back and tell $5,000.
Do not put your hand back in my head. You're laughing at joke business. This is what me can't deal with, you know. The little raw thing where you try to draw me out. You hear me I say to you? Me will call you. Go on in your yard.
Don't touch me.
I know last time party did nice, you know, youth. You know? Boy, me spend too much money, my youth. Me never spend. Jesse Big Batty Jessica.
Bad man.
My youth.
Bad man, you know say party the lit, see.
Bro, party
You
the
know
lit.
enjoy yourself.
Me them enjoy myself, but the
Yeah.
point is, me spend too much money.
Me know they want the future.
You see how much money when me spend, I pay me rent, you know?
Eh,
But they have to give me back half of the money there.
Alright, watch out no say 40, me I go to bank to come and see me can withdraw something for you.
You ask them about bank, I don't never from see I know you never see with a bank card, you know. But you have money in a bank. How you get money in a bank? You never have a bank card.
Why? Listen know better.
Man, look around and sit in my top boy. Hang over boy.
So I say you beat up a rum, I saw you a beat up a rum.
You go like say me alone. Let me hear you.
Yeah, me
And the girl.
yeah, but watch out now. Me not beat it like you. Remember me there talk to you girl, so most of my time my girl me a give. You a beat the rum harder.
And true, me go see fine by Tiny.
Lord
Jesus Christ. Anytime me and Tiny buck up in the wine a dog, a trouble and problem, you know.
That, you know say mama glock you the rum last night.
No ice, no chaser.
No ice, no chaser.
But in short, what good, man.
Mama bad.
Me I tell
Me
you.
say no sir. What kind of woman this when me see him do it, you know me I say no sir, more rum, feed me, more rum.
But Tom drunk, Tom no fool. You check say, to put on drunk, no man.
No,
I can't artist them.
You know what me a tell
You know see?
I know me a tell
Brother, more we spend, brother, more rum than drink.
all of you mash up, you know, say, mama, they still a drink rum, all of you drunk. Mama, they
Brother.
chunk, see them, we are.
One night time, brother, I say me throw a double shot in a cup, brother, and swim and carry home. Go away. Out of front, I get him, let me go. So if I go on and me yard, he soon come. So me as I eat that, no go me yard and open the door, say, she go come, cause, you know, understand? Me get up in the morning, brother, I host me see while open, brother.
Yeah.
I wait for her, she no come.
If I do your letting.
Brother, she said she could come. I must go on. So I open the door.
And if you do,
Yeah, cause me check so she could come there.
Judge, God,
Brother, she
can you? What can you?
But I'm a month. Yo, me not talk about that.
That's what you me know say, if me never get her, get mama me a wind up one day. Just leave worry to nothing to me. Just take what me can get at the time, at the moment, and move to go straight to my bed.
Right now,
Oi, I look.
we got party and happy. Right now, we got party and happy, you know. I know a stress and problem. You see it?
Are you hungry? I know.
I'm not hungry.
Oh,
Me rent.
judge.
London come the later, you know. And me can't take my boom, boom, boom. Brass up in the door, brass up in the door. Frustrated and tired, brother. Sick of you. Me don't like party, you know. Brother, first time give me weed, you give me, you know, first time give me weed, brother. I'm saying,
Mash up like that, you. I'm not.
and you make me start smoking, I'm never used to smoking, brother. See me not know if we roll with good same way. I don't like smoke. Cause anytime I smoke, I gotta do something like me an idiot. Brother, I know.
That's why nobody mash up like that, cause we not no more. We not no more.
But different they do. You see, I try to find a machine and I don't know if she not take talk or what.
Who that?
Eh? Boy, me not have to call her name. You know. Tom Jung, Tom no fool.
Me have an idea, but me don't know who you are talking. Me no want go. Me no want when me call.
Brother, the same one, the man.
Eh.
The same bleach out one, the man.
I say I watch you.
One of us I got church up there.
Tell you this, I'm not here watch me.
I thought Deacon daughter.
Me I tell you something, me no want you watch me.
Me not watch you.
Oh, you don't know, say. If
Boy,
you not watch.
you're brave enough. Look where you go, church. Church, you going, brother. Brother, me not have my time, brother, to go to church. I'm so patient. Next thing I hear, you're baptized. I thought take communion, not church.
And the next thing me turn a deacon, no?
What fire me down bun? I'm not too like the church, you know. Love the church, I'm not too love it. You know?
So you go still, no? So you go still, boy, but what you know? Is it true, me say, me see one look, you don't know, me see one look, niceness in there, my friend. Don't get a try, you know?
My advice, I give it a try. But see all them nice girls, they love money. They love dear things and expensive things. They don't like walk foot man, you know. They like man na bima.
Let's see how walk there. My America. Oh boy, you know some no like this there.
Mr. Rumbar! Them boy, they love them. Them boy love Rumbar! Ryan Neville! Ryan Neville! Go on, yo, brother, me and the yes, so we are going to bar, brother, go play pool, brother. You know, by time get up there, brother, we are man, come on, brother, man.
Yeah, even next
Man,
thing.
come on.
Sorry,
What?
I'm saying in real life, do I see I'm gonna like get to know you more if that's
Come on,
okay with you doing in
come on,
real
live a
life.
bar like a YouTube boy. And no matter how me try, You just a try in vain.
Your friend
No,
can
but
Nah,
say,
whoa.
No,
Take
me
it
yeah,
to-
I told you I jump here, I'm girl, you love you. I told you right, you girl, me love me. I want go on. I don't understand it.
Me do you save a number there? Me take a number?
You know, saying I realize my DVD, no, I'm not sure.
Appetite,
Me not travel with my
appetite.
phone
I'm
like
not
today.
sure,
Brum,
but
brum,
you
brum,
tell me
brum,
say I
brum.
gotta link my...
Appetite.
No,
Brum,
yeah,
brum,
don't come
brum,
over
brum,
from
brum.
now. You can...
Let me tell you about
Link
the
up
bar
and
up a
support
hill
me,
this
you
up.
can talk.
When you go up there and sit this up,
Get to know
we
each
play
other
two
more.
pool, I will rock this
You
up.
know,
I
you-
see two
you
brown
think
girls, I will rock this up.
Me
But
think
me say, come on,
about
me
it.
pick a shot two pool up a rosy this up.
Jesus
Jesus
Christ.
Christ.
Like come here, have a number,
Why?
so me text her something
Me
on my
hard.
phone.
You text
Woo!
Yeah, man. So big up your friend.
me. Yeah, can I hear?
Yeah, man.
Boy! Woo!
You know, say, in a real life, bro, you.
You get you?
You know, something I like your style, bro, you always a try for this place, me do.
I get you?
You always a try for this
Brother,
place,
stop
me. Why?
like
You
that.
always a try for this
Me not
place,
diss
me.
you.
Why? No, me
Me a
never
say-
say I dis...
me a
You
say-
disgrace me, my
Me not
friend.
dis-
You
me-
load
listen-
me up a road.
Listen what me a... Listen what me a say. Yeah?
Mm.
Listen what me a say.
Mm.
You come like say, chew your junkie.
Oh, me a junkie.
I'm a gambler. You
Mm.
come like you lucky more than me, but come have to drink from like a you know. Cause look, she not smell rum for you. She not smell like bread, think of rum. Boy. No. You come like me for follow your footstep, you know.
Spark, my friend.
What kind of spark? That shot like lightning. What kind of volt you use? A 285 volt or what?
You know, so the one they inventive volt to me.
How are you?
Yeah.
The one that use ground.
No, I didn't know.
What?
I
Yo.
didn't use live neither.
Yo,
I
what you
just spark.
Yo.
So you see,
I'm
I
grown and look bar and say, you know, what you do?
know, so me I go take a lock here a little bit. Do
What?
And
What
you-
kind of lucky item say? Now you think, brother, go go on a bar and say, brother, we gamble.
But then you tell me, say, you know, no money.
Come on, brother.
Sitting by the bar, trying to slip away scars is the hardest thing to do, yeah. Now I'm puffing on a cigarette, hoping that I will forget the greatest thing was you. Trying to chill in my zone,
Give me a line.
feeling pretty slow.
No, be a around.
Soon pay, man. You have a nice drink. I want to pay, man. Just reach out to the pay.
Go back reach, I wanna be a pal now.
I break, so say. Can't see no more.
Bricks, my friend say.
Give back. Barton, you look nice too. Like your piercing. Your heart. Where you throwing that rum?
Your heart drink you want put.
My heart drink. Yo, the rum a chang, man. Like a from 1962, the rum a built. How long you have been here?
A day style, I can't take with me, I go and roll.
What you talk about, my friend? What you talk about? What kind of style?
One, two extra, when you see girl, even. Damage you.
That's why you not get church not talk to you, then you can get corrupt. Yo, my friend, I'm tell you something. Me a friend, you know. I say, yo, the sorry for show you up like that. You see me? I say,
Oh, me a come
Me-
right now.
Eh?
Shut up, what you mean?
What you say?
Make sure say, on no pay me be too special.
Yeah, my
bill,
friend,
come
tell
here,
us
go
a
like-
bricks. My friend, tell her
Come here,
bricks.
Let's
Sorry,
go, we
I
can
know.
chat so. Remember, say I love that people place go drink and no pay, you know.
Me are you?
Don't make me have to find you.
you see, you
Bad,
pay a bill, boy, you don't pay a bill. You like going over there, you know.
Are you
Look
like-
look what a nice girl, let me talk about saying no pay a bill. Yo, you know, so me serve show up like that. When I talk to nice America, you know. Sorry. I tell you the truth, bro. I'm not tell you no lie. You know?
Feel it, you
You know you feel it, but that's so life for some time, brother.
Your sister, me attack the girl, your sister, me want the girl, answer. You come like you like her in a style, you know, you.
Then you know what I like her. I like her. I like her, you know. I tell you the truth now, that's why I talk so extra and brawl, you know.
So you can't tell me before.
Brother, you see how all you talk to the girl not paying no mind, you know. And me pay mine, you know. You know see what I want? Like you know see what I want? All you talk to she, brother. You just there run up on me. So, I thumbs up in my show say, nah, see. You know see what I want, brother. Yo. Probably special man, it's machine. Anytime you see her again, you dead. You know how I keep out. Yo, you know what I say? I tell you the truth. I'm so sorry. Straight like that. I'm not gonna do it again. But I know I go, you know. I know I go in the street as a youth where I grew up. You know, when I say Cathy, it was, you know, I'm sorry, I'm not do it again. I'm so sorry. You know, say, for me, wouldn't want you show me like that. I wouldn't feel that way. Wouldn't bother talking. I just go on. I swear to
And you
God.
know you stay a bad man if you never have mates that night.
So then you say nothing run bus now, me.
My yo, oi, calm down. Yo.
You tell the boy run me, I run the...
Yeah, managing you.
I tell us I run me. Anything me tell you we got bar, I will go bar watching you dirty rum. You know why I run, Brian nephew contender, 3 somebody in there. And I run alone. Back alone can't hold it. Me I can't hold it. Rum! Yo! Rum. Nah, I drink my rum.
Hello? What is it?
Hey, what? No. America. Yeah, girl, we meet on the road.
Malta. Oh! I pray now, my friend.
Oh, are you surprised to see me, Carlo? That's how it goes. But you're busy though?
No, sir. I know, sir, right now. Right now, I go to the store with one of my friends, them do.
Mom, did I wonder if we could meet up and talk and get to know each other because a long time you look me and I think about it and somebody give you a chance.
Mm-hmm. You said I'm go with me. Oh. I realize I look something to cook in the evening.
Oh, so yeah, I'm shopping with your friend. Alright, that's fine.
But you know, me text up on you after here. Alright, so 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock good. Here, on the beach. Alright, anyway, I'm going to coffee beach. I'm coffee beach. Anyway. Alright, later.
Alright. Later. We're applying to the family. This is
What you say, mother?
Mommy send me to your fees sitting them for school.
You send me to school.
The money if you buy me clothes.
But me give her money.
And daddy, mommy said she never get nothing.
What you mean?
And tomorrow school, I'm gonna have nothing.
Let me say a joke you make.
I'm not joking, I make a
Let me say me see a laugh. We talk about see a laugh. Me give your mother the money to start out school. 1 month ago she said she want to get everything before school start. And she don't want to follow the rush. That's what you tell me.
Well,
what?
Tomorrow is school and I don't have any shoes, bag, book,
No,
sock, uniform, and
huh?
I don't have
You think you understand how I go? You know you're a fault still. And your mother, you don't think cross is more fault. Because I don't understand why she don't do this to me. She tell me 1 month ago that she don't want go down in a crowd. She don't like crowd. So I'm to send her the school money. I'm send her the money. Someone don't know how she come tell me now say, no money. What? Hey, you sure say I know you are on a trip for me?
What be a run trip? No, sir.
Because your mama
What
wicked
be a
that.
run joke for me not alone, you know?
Me don't know
Because
that.
so wicked.
Me don't understand how I go.
Me not have no book, me not have no.
Right now, I think the only thing we can start out right.
Me not have no shoes,
What?
me not have no uniform, me not have no.
The only thing we think for start out right now is just share the book them I will never get from. Hey girl, give me the phone. Where you hold phone and me talk to you. Me feel say you. Where you get new phone from? Me I talk to you little girl. Where you get new phone from? One for the money.
No,
Oh, listen, I'm talk to you, man. Somebody buy you? Who buy your phone? Somebody bring me a talk to you. Eh? Who buy your phone? Who buy your phone?
somebody
I pick like you, man. You see one? Mama and pity like could make you look like some man now and take care of their responsibility. Your mother there yard? I went there. Call him for your phone. Outside would have been jam and cross his business. You can't bother his lifestyle, I know. Dirty style. It's like, come go. Come go, come go.
But mommy, for true, when I'm serious, not no mommy. You get the money for true?
What do you mean by my beater?
It's not one mommy and I give me mommy and it's not constant.
What do you mean by my beater? So when money then I carry money come give you.
No, you saying yeah already.
So hold on there. So he beat you. So you lick your head. You might go loco now. And he say give me money already.
Yeah, you saying yeah.
Say give me money already. Okay.
Yeah, you say
Hello, let me tell you something. You see that little money that you give me? But you have to deal with some things. Plus, all you think you come by the phone, girl? All you think you come by the phone? I hit CM1 Muse part of it and help up by the phone. So don't ask me no foolishness. If ain't give me the money for show. Yes, me get the money for show, but that is not all. He's very out of order. He always out of order. He say lick ya. A man that come like he not have no sense. He come like say must he want me jog out and he locks them out and head. He come like he want me show him who me really be. Eh? So when really the you not get no money for show? No man. You look at that thinking Rasta man have no sense. He really have no sense at all. You see me I tell about them man ya? Eh? You see me I tell about them man ya? Me I tell about them man ya for a long time. I say him is no good. I don't want good father you get. I saw he used to cheat me. That's why I have to left him because he don't like mine woman and he don't give me no money no tall. He too mean. He mean to me. That's why I left him look a drunk. I don't like him. Me just spit in her face. And me good on left him in a ramp with me. I look a dirty man. Come here.
Hey.
Dirty thinking man. Come here and play with me no drunk. What you mean by you not give her no money? And you look at 20,000 you give me.
Where's 20,000?
20,000 you give me.
You
20,000.
So you can't give me my phone. Eh? When you can't give me my phone?
What you mean by your liquor?
Hey, do not
what
step
you
to
mean by
me.
your liquor?
Don't step to me.
What you mean by your
You're
liquor?
aggressive
You
and
have
you're
no sense.
in front of your dad.
Hey, what you liquor for? What you liquor for?
You see that smoke? Eh?
Mister, what you liquor
That
for?
smoke coat now.
What you liquor
Let me
for?
smell liquor for.
I'm box in your face. What you liquor for?
Hey, try. You, come grown.
Tell the next one to move from the side, girl.
Woman, how much money me give you? You know, tell me, say, you want the money 1 month early. Watch my smoke in front of my face. You know, say you want the money 1 month early because you don't want to see. Yeah, test me, not true.
Yes, dog, you know me not afraid
At
you.
jail, you want me to go today, tonight, yeah. You want me to sleep at jail tonight, not true? I feel, it's like I feel a mission that for me go to jail, go sit down and sleep, not true? Eh? If you ain't gonna have me name as said, me a
Yo.
dirty man a beat woman down.
How much money you give me?
$150,000.
$150,000 you give me, lion man? Eh? $150,000 you give me? Even if I give me $150,000, that is nothing.
Even if.
That is nothing. You know how opinion them at their time? Eh? Me ask you a question if you know how opinion them at their time.
That's why I give it to you because I want you to deal with it and me no know.
You know how school fee go?
When me say no school fee go, so
You know how back to school things go?
$150,000 to
You know how when we carry out how things go?
When me say we carry
Eh?
out.
Me have to use that
Look at him, Marga.
money when me spare. Cause you're fat. And me fat. No, cause you fat and me fat. Who should I be fat? Eh? Who should I be fat? Hey, let me tell you something, you better give me the money and give me the money when I say the 55 now. Now you see, if you don't give me the money, a judgment between me and you.
What do you mean judgment between me and you?
Give me the money when I send the 55,
I'm
we
going
don't
to
talk.
someone send money to your account, so me have record to show someone give your money drunk cup. Money go to your bank drunk cup. You can smoke all that. It's smoke
Yo,
a blow
let me
or
tell you
something.
something. You see, that's a minute kind of have no sense, you know.
Why you feel
You
like
feel like
Why you
no,
feel like
no, you feel like you're more
Why you
local
feel
than
like
me. You feel like
Why
I want
you feel like if you put your
Idiot, man, I want
jersey,
you.
dirty hand, where you use, wipe
Who
your
for hand
bottom,
Jersey? Who
you
for hand
use your hand
Jersey?
kind of like use tissue,
Eh?
and you put your dirty stinking hand for me.
Me stop use this because they're taking a wipe and look dirty, filthy mouth.
My mouth.
Your mouth have
My mouth.
bacteria, that's why me stop use this for me. Yeah.
You feel like you get left hand.
You can't give me no left hand out that's up. I see I'm left hand where you use and give me twist that. Me twist it. You walk and say left hand. Drunk truck. Hello, give me money now. Give me the money and the money me want.
Stop touching me.
And the money me want. Give me the money.
Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop
You
touching
look
me.
at dirty thinking you woman where you have.
Which new woman?
Eh, you must feel like that. You don't know what she a take money and I give.
Oh, see, I watch my life from sideline. Eh? Yes, me and left, but still I watch up my life and pray up my life. Eh? Look at Smoky Joe.
You look at dirty thinking you woman where you have.
Alright, listen to me I say.
And she a get the whole of
Me
the
can
money.
only sort out
Eh?
just the right amount of money for she buy 2 uniform and 1 boot and 1 bag. That's all me can sort. What you contribute? What you contribute to the table?
How far roof she live under? Whose roof she's under?
Remember say the roof what she's under. And me went
Lion! I might tell the chair and knock you over with the lion. Contribute to what? What you contribute to? Huh?
You think I love
You
this?
only contribute is. Hey, I don't want to class of dirty money, I know.
Only contribute to what?
Remember saying when me
You
and give me
contribute
good and I pay, you have to pay me.
Oh no, good, don't tell you. I'm bad. Give me good.
No good not there. You hear that? Eh? Oh. You can't say nice no good. Let me see. No shh. Let me see.
Yo, one thing I stop me.
I'm just, yo, me cut
Puff
in
and
my
puff.
face, you know.
Cut to. Father God, you see rain and start fall. And look at the girl that you just know. Alright, you
Come on to me yard. Drunk crow. Come on to me yard.
You see me I watch you? You see me I calm down myself? Eh? That's why me and we never get back together.
No, why you?
Yeah, tell a friend them say you want me. You tell a dirty friend them say you don't hear. I'm tell your friend them tell you say me don't want you bad.
Up to the
Because I'm sick and tired of your stress.
Up to the blind gas system, me don't want you.
Up to the blind.
Up to the blind gas system, me don't want you. Me and you don't look dirty rasta man.
Yeah, man.
Imposter, give me the money.
So why you so aggressive still and we
Give me
left
the
so
money.
long? Why you so
Because
angry
you're
still?
not treated pretty good.
We spit me.
You're not treating her
You
right.
said 150,000 to Fiaco because you thief and scam me and say you want to go up, you know, want see the crowd. The crowd is downtown and they will step on your foot and all this shit. Eh? And then you say me actually me pit
Look
right.
at you talking pure shit.
Me a talk your
Give me
shit.
the money. Give me the money.
Me nah put no
Give me
more
the
money.
money.
Alright, you know what me gonna do? Me gonna take
Give me the money.
Whitney and bring her downtown and buy what she need to get. Me gonna stop put money to your hand. Simple as that.
So as long as I go buy everything what she want.
You hear me say me I do?
Go buy the things
You hear me say me I do?
and buy grocery.
Which
And
grocery?
make sure you pay the school fee.
Me nah
Put
buy
out
no-
on my side.
If
Put
when
out
she
on my side.
hungry, she come along my yard, we don't live far. When she hungry, you send her point her down to the road. I'm not come
Come
and
out of
food.
me before me walk up your party, you know. You don't know me, you know.
And that is see your hobby a worker.
Come out of me yard.
Yeah,
Come out
wicked.
of me yard, Crosses. Come out of me yard. Come out of me yard. Come out of me yard. You see me friend there? Come out of me yard. Come out of me yard. What's if I'm friend? Do me sit down, touch me, you see. Come out of me yard. Me not like you. Come out of me yard.
You say one thing, I want
Come do this a pig here.
Pig? I only pig
Come do this a pig here.
everything. Whitney!
Go on with the liquor, sin. Come in and want your
Whitney!
drunk.
Liquor same thing.
Go on with the liquor, so.
Liquor same
You
thing.
know,
No
say it's a
liquor.
mistake. A mistake, me the penny come in and you never
Liquor.
know that. Eh? I told me see the sweet here. I till I bust off. Boy!
Me boss off.
Hey, drunk crow.
Come,
out
come.
of me yard.
You ever imagine when a human being, when I see how wide and deep it is, you can swim, eh? And that's a problem. You feel say you have good, yeah?
And that's a problem.
You come, take
That's
time,
a
come.
problem.
Come,
I
come,
show you
come.
some liquor make you feel like you wide and deep. Go drunk crop. You can't chat to me. You some liquor. That's you feel like you wide and
Space!
deep. You some
Space!
liquor. That's you feel
A
like you
space that!
Come on, come here. Come on.
So you really believe in mama say me no send him on a talk foolishness time. You believe in mama say me never send him, me a talk, you look upon me and start going nonsense. What you gonna do with you? You think I joke business? Everything I take a joke. Your mama, you said 150,000 I come give your mama. And put.
Mommy say you never give me money.
When you mommy say me not give you money. So you never hear for yourself, you never did it.
Yeah,
You wanna
that's
sleep?
how women
And
make course. What do you put it on that too?
You see your mother aggressive? Eh? You see your mother deal with it? I don't understand. Sometimes I feel something for just either take you and make you spend time in the auntie them or something. Because your mother is not a good mother for raise no people. What me I say now is that if you look at money we have, only thing you can buy now is just the one uniform can make two blows. Yeah, you know what I say? Me think you know what I say. Fin today. You can go to school tomorrow morning. You get what I say? So, you can talk to me. Come on, you laugh. Everything you laugh out. One uniform, two shirts, one boot, about 3 socks, there for things. You know you have to put your second boot. So if you feel like that same thing, you can buy 3 socks. I want it to back. Back, to your book for that. And your book list. Oh, Jesus. Your mama is a wicked woman. Am I fine?
I said that you're a father, like you spoil me, and you're a man spoil me. You see, and all they get me chicken and me spare by me now, man.
What's going to work this?
Now, man.
So if you turn work is
And
a
you're
part?
going up,
Eh?
yeah, Florida, after buy me chicken, then to get me uniform and me, and I'll get me school.
Now get a car. See? And you can see where I do. Alright, well, man, that's the case that. So what you go to now is you go to a place and get 3 shirts, get the 3 socks, you
Me going for me something that me don't have to do it now, me force me
my box around that place. My box around that place. Stop forward and slow.
Me tell mother me beat up.
How are when you see? Come with your mother gives my coke. You know say mother coke, eh? You know that? Alright, you mess.
Did you?
Let's go do here. Mother, it's alright. Come go. This is stuff. on there. Long time I see you. I just want to tell you now. Realize. I guess I know a good while now. So I pass through and happen to see shop open. You know what I mean? Good while now I tell us I pass through and I see you and I say, you know what, it's a nice lady, you know. You know, because me's a man where I always observe certain things, you know, force nothing. So what we have said?
I'm going to put underpants. Things for children. Stuff for children. After that, I'm not doing it.
Can't buy too much. Shoe me kind of when I try to see me can, start to want to stuff down in the town and so forth. Alright. We don't buy more than 2 man, but you know what it is like, you know, you never plan for it, you know? I'm never expecting to grow up. No, you're playing it. Actually, at that time, like you see that, like a woman who knows, say, you know, they don't have to depend on people for certain things and them just, you know, hold up their head certain way. You know what I mean? So we think differently. Yeah?
Yeah. Obviously, I said, I just say to you, underpants. All purpose, you know, one.
It's a nice woman in a long time, I like, you know. Long time, you know what I mean? But you come and talk, you know. The reason we look a bit, man, because maybe it works, you know, and thing, but I'm tell you, life set away where you know really make certain things pass you. Like make it pass you, pass you.
Not true, man. See, like, man.
Like a long time, man, but that me say me is a person where me just observe, you know what I mean? I only with it right now in my life, you have to just look. Because if you don't look and you don't make action before you look and observe, you're not a problem. You say go?
Yeah, man. Alright, don't get some live anywhere now.
Don't really live?
You can't come down to my church, man, but some place in the shop right there, so nobody knows how to trouble you, so you can't go down my yard and make it get fit.
No, I'm going. So go look at Bishop first, man. Auntie,
but
yeah?
just get so excited, you know?
Yeah, man.
And I smell like it, but I'm not going to say it.
Ah, boy, I see two of the same thing. So maybe that's how it went, yeah? Come and see I'm like I'm love you. You know, you're just conscious. And them things that you see, you know, woman and tell that younger girl them as a car, younger girl them all them do is just, you know, want to go to a party, just you know, and jiggle up and sit and drink rum and smoke and sit and up and something. You understand? My lifestyle kinda different. Some say better me just do it that way. And you know, you're a big woman and you know, me a big man and you know best two we just do what we do together. What do you think?
Yeah, man. Up to you now, if you're a nice man, let me try. Try to go to the living and deal. And I tell you again, I just say you're a big man and I'm a big man. I don't really want no man, we don't really do the promising bitches and a fulfill.
No, man, it's not a promise, man. Promise is a comfort and food.
Look, man, you understand? I'm a nice man of ambition and I take care of man and something.
That me I say.
Good man. You can go and talk.
Cause, you know, like I'm saying, you know, like
You're not a woman.
me, you know, so me also have a woman, but woman kinda same thing. She want me to go to a party, she want me to drink, she want me to smoke, and if I not do it, you come like say, you know, in our relationship with him. You understand?
So I'm a Christian, you look, but I'm not a Christian, you know.
Me not some, no, but me not straight up, like, me a Christian, but me not all that, you know, because we're not perfect.
Church and everything, but I tell you, say, I look at decent, man. I mean, me as a woman, if me, you know, me, I'll try to look at a relationship. And certain things me not like. Me love beat man, that can I'm tell you straight.
Okay. Me not really no problem, say beat.
But me have a beat today.
No. So you not have to worry about that part.
If he's a good man, Mary. See what's going on.
Easy though.
Me I tell you straight,
But
that in
I'm
case
like
if you
you
get
straight
beaten them, you can't say me never tell you, understand me? I not play with man. I'm like comfortable with man, you understand me? I love what no man bad.
Like I said, I have a problem because I don't hide. You see me have something to hide now? Because remember say me I come in a relationship. You know? So if me say me I go in it, me I go in it all the way through. Me now half and this and that. You understand what I say?
Remember say man tell 100 lie now. Especially if you're nice with you want to know. Sweet and more and them something, you know.
No, I'm not answering, I'm not telling no lie.
So you sure say you don't know man.
Me
I'm
sure.
free and single, you know. I'm here to like get my part straight, because I don't want nobody come. I feel really happy and say, boy, I could have done like some lady, mama, she like I'm wicked and just me lose my life and then me straight. If you're straight, me need you straight. So, both of us now have no problem, because we don't explain.
I tell that problem. I tell them I'm sick and tired of that problem. The problem come like it. They love me, but me I tell them I'm not depend on the problem no more, so I'm good to go.
But you could make it desperate for a woman, man.
Yeah, because I'm desperate for this. I tell them I'm sick and tired. Tired, like, you know, come on.
I'm going to find one cool, you know. And settle your nerves.
What's that me talk about?
Yeah, man. It's yourself, man. Just try it and sweat, Kim. As me tell you, say, I don't really want no man to lie. Like a cheater. And those things, I'm ready to beat you a long time, you understand me? And the man, we just want to come out of them style and just live a nice and decent.
So, I want to last in a relationship because so I keep on you like that.
Girl, don't worry about that, man. That's why I say I want to find one right now. Because you see, I keep on my neck right now. Through the point, I want black traffic, one time, say, any man could know me. You know, give me the key. So even I easy man find me, my woman and so come. I'm not paying my mind because you can't stay for last. And when I kid up, I'm making still can't block no traffic.
Alright.
So what about the key, man? He's just a man who so want to see with no man and tal. So I'm trying to just put something for me to just, you know,
Just stop
black traffic, as me tell you again. What about the key, man?
I want to go that time, I have to start out some stuff down there town. So, because back to school time, I know, so I have to go deal with some money for her and things. So, let's say
I
me
talk
can.
about money, I like man, when I give one money, need that too, you know.
Me,
What can I work to do? Me never ask that time I talk to me like, what can I work to do?
me is a contractor.
Okay.
Yeah, me contract some big contract. You know them house they will get built up and they want money for run things. Yeah. And then
Every 2
things.
weeks or a week you get paid. When I say I look at money in there for go on like later when I buy me look at drink and thing.
Yeah, man, me
money a week
buy a drink, man. I said, but you know, like you said, you know, me's not a rich man, but me spend. You know, me take out money and spend.
But if you look at money, you spend more money per man.
Yeah, what me.
When I say if I go spend and then left. The most important thing you can do, you can get for the because you know someone impressed themselves and spirit check it out, them a broke man pocket.
True.
One day. I can't look after you look at that.
True, come I look out for her
But
fast.
if you look 2 jobs, you know, 1 job can go, you know, can you get a new woman in your life, you know.
No, man, you're good, man. Alright, man. I like
So
saying.
maybe bank account good fat still, so alright. Long story cut short.
So I'm soon father, man. Yeah.
Alright.
So later I come check if I submit you. Yeah.
So I like him vibes.
No, you like man.
I tell you like.
Man.
Feel like I never do well, not true.
Of course, great. Yeah.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Them have to call you.
I'm not calling him today. Yeah.
I'll later.
Come soon come.
Alright, go.
No.
Boy. If you need call me money reach up yourself right now in real life, you know. Seriously.
So what you say about
No, go on.
me have one party for go later, so what you say you go come?
Judge got party. I don't want to say in real life too. I'm forward, you know, but a piece of food to reach me.
Eh?
A piece of food to reach me, not reach me yet.
You mean one piece of food for each other? I'm sure you said before we go in our bedroom, I tell you say you have money. You have money, so how would that go?
Yeah, but what you know? I have nothing for me. You see me? I want a piece of money to reach me and something.
What you mean you don't have nothing for you? Like, me tell you, I understand what you say.
You tell me before going in a room, you tell me say you have money for you. So oh no, you don't have no money for you. Oh, so I use me.
God, nobody have meds. Me know why you have meds the way. Why you
So
have
what you
meds the
mean?
way?
So me have to bed meds because
No, me
before
not.
we go in a room, you tell me say you have money. Now we come back out, you don't have no money. You tell me about piece of food for reach. All that go.
You know, say, yeah, get it twisted. Me have piece of food, yes, but same time, my mother call and say she gonna want a piece of food, and you say, true, and my mother just be her, but
We feel like you're lying because remember, as we are going entire room, and tell me say you have the money.
no, me have money, but me try to tell you say me have money,
they don't
but
give your mother money.
no, they are link you, when me come link your mother call me. So me just carry a little money when they have for me at the moment, but yeah, because you know, an emergency she said. Say an emergency, so you know it didn't set me have to be right.
So all my money I have.
Oh, I'm telling you, know yourself, man.
When me not for myself, me have one party to go later. And me need money, so me need the money for go to party, so all go. Cause me need new clothes and me need slippers and me need some other stuff.
I know say you go need all of them, but what you know?
Mom.
They want go in a town. Alright, now after they shoot. Feel my friend dead, where you sit on the road one day.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want a piece of food for me.
And today we see me, I mean what day. We have piece of food for you?
For what day?
I don't like this. I don't like this one bit.
No,
Because
man.
I feel like I use me.
Why you
That's why
dance?
I'm not date young boy, you know. That's why I left from a young boy.
Why you say me? Nobody of the foolishness, man. Why you don't say me I use and me I piece
Because
of
that's
no.
how the young boy would find I'm just
So-
wipe my foot palm, people get pick me and gone through do and go to somebody else. When you don't give them money, a problem.
You know, say adapt, me not understand or get me to know woman now because you know always I try to think out of box negative. Yeah. Because yeah, first thing you go say to me now, say me a try use you and you know me now use and I like me a run where yes me there. Inside and
Anything you say, no, because you can't say anything. And sometimes when you don't care, woman go deal with them on the place, and a full place on the bridging place, or something like that.
but when me a go hide, when me not nothing to hide, see me go on bridging place, I tell us some of them live and then go make you know which part of this and yes me live. So why so from the day me know see her and know you or something, you know, man. At first me I come around here so in real life, you know, and you see me ain't trust you because the way more than why more than want grow on the badness and tell us say
No,
oh this
no,
some live when they
because
want
that's
this.
all I'm talking.
Nobody with that, man.
So we all of me have to go away for the money now.
Me I check my friend first and then after me check my friend if in car he no must be in yard neither. So me I check him and then me go check my account.
Check your account first. See now. Check your account first. Because you probably your friend not did that for true, so check your account first if he did this so. But your friend now he did in yard. What you say?
That me have to go do. But me ain't fully ready yet.
But I want money for a party.
So what time the party they start?
Anyway, when I start out the money, share everything you let me know.
Alright.
Yeah.
So you go on.
Little girl. You just started the thing a while ago.
Wow.
Why? Time place a hot door. Just feel like,
Where you say a while ago, you go look at your daughter?
yeah, I'm good with my daughter. So.
So if you left and give me no money?
What do you mean?
You not left the money with me.
But we just start a relationship with your about.
But, remember say you say now. You go look after your daughter. And
Yeah.
first me ask you if it's a kind man. And I said, must worry myself and you start treat me good.
Mm-hmm.
You come back and you baby girl me, when your baby girl me find give me no money, you know, say, you come back here for spend money for me.
Me just say me not spend money for you, but me don't know so what you want. We just take out money and give you some.
What Lord Jesus, I want this for me now.
Eh? So how you go?
So what want for, what I look at me, what I look at me, at this speak. What I look at this. First you say I look me, and he's a nice guy, and such and such.
Mm-hmm.
So we expect you just have to come and just not give me no money, so.
Me just say me not give you money, so sit down and relax yourself now.
I mean even want to sit down, because right now me get ignorant and crass and him. So
We mean ignorant and grass for what? So everything now organized and step to step. A step to step in the things, you know. We're not just running the things, so.
But you have to step with the money, not step with the money.
So what we step with, so?
So you mean that look at woman and you know say, we want money to spend on it. So when me tell you me not going no man at all, so you and be my man.
Yeah, but so me, of course, I'm a man.
You couldn't be my man and ask you with the money. So if you not give me money for go do, you want money? You see, look at Geek Family, can I ask you, can I get them and say, I want to go crosses, man, we can't become a one.
No, but you make it sound like I'm gonna do something wrong. How am I do something wrong so fast?
Well, you do something big wrong because number one, before you leave, you should even give me a money. When I say, I not really rush it because I had that hello. So you come in, you should all bring one nice good drink, come give me something special and something. You come with the same attitude, the old crosses, man, they really can't take.
But I don't even know what you like to drink. What you like to drink?
Same thing again, I look, man. You don't have to like, you don't have to know what I like.
Just
you bring alcohol and you bring non-alcohol.
Then suppose we go carry one big bag of Lasco.
We drink it same way.
So, no, but you make it sound
You
like...
come with the too long, Anna. Man, you can just put that outside, but I don't bother with you right now.
No, hold on. Come on.
I just see him thing me around.
Come on,
I just see him
no, but you move too fast, man. But, no, man.
You can't go look for money too long and I'm coming. Babes, what? You come in here, so boy. Feel impressed and show, say, boy. You want nice, good, decent gentleman and just you bring something, not a thing you too long.
So tonight, we can go later on with that.
It doesn't matter, you bring and you come give me a night different. I do you know.
No,
I'm saying you're my man and I'm nobody, you know.
yeah, but...
I'm glad you come in my life.
So, alright. So what you want? What you want then?
I want to go to the road and buy something nice and come bring for the nice impress. I want to you. And that's the rest of man, you know.
Alright, I'm soon come. Yeah? Yeah.
And nobody me get. Me really like it. So nobody me feel yourself and put that so little me really want to. You understand me?
Alright. Me understand what me soon found, yeah? Don't let. Yeah?
No, me not left. You should not have. How about I give me some more to buy some food to come back? I'll show you come back.
No, me not have. No, me forgot.
So you really come here with the bank packet?
No, that me I tell you something.
Alright, one in the bank I'll come back.
Give me go back and come, okay? Don't move. Yeah?
No, me not move.
Alright, don't move.
And I'm going to automate the rest of it.
Yeah, I have to pay. Yeah.
That's what I get to go to now.
I just rum the rum. Yo, just rum the rum. Rum bust in your head, rum bust in your head.
Brads.
Rum bust in your head, rum bust in your head.
Yo.
Rum bust in your head.
Yo.
Rum bust in your head.
Yo. That evening girl look for you. They almost say you.
Rum bust in your head.
Bad man.
You're not here.
Yourself,
Rum bust in your head. Rum bust in it.
I pray.
Rum bust in it.
Yo.
Rum bust in it.
That boy son of bad man.
Rum bust in it. Rum bust in it.
You know what's in real life too? A piece of food me come to look for it.
Rum bust in it. Rum bust in it.
That boy son of bad man.
Me can't hear what I say. Rum bust in my head. A school me I go, you know. You see a school me I go. You know see? Eh?
I go back to school.
Because I never learn nothing when me go to school. I sit down way back at the class. When teacher talk, push teacher in my ears. You know what teacher say. Rum the bus in my head.
You have tap drink rum.
Eh?
You have tap drink.
Rum.
Bananas rum.
This is what I
You have tap drink rum, man.
Rum my best thing.
That's my best thing.
And rum make me go back to school now. Rum motivate you and tell you what to do. Rum. Rum my best thing,
Bad
brother.
man, if you tap drink rum, you look at your
Rum bus in my head.
Watch
Rum
out,
bus
watch
in
out.
my head. Bus in my head.
Yo,
Rum bus in my head.
yo, You know, say, I'm going to tell your uncle boy you do that. God,
I know, say, I'm
you do.
going to tell Marika upon you.
So what me do?
Me like Marika, I go Marika yard tonight. I go look rice and pizza and chicken. From busting it. Yo, I tell her, right now, I want back at the bar to go drink the rum there. Rum them mad. But you catch vibes, me I catch.
Bad man, you come like a mad, yeah, mad. You like somebody set yourself.
Who set myself? Nobody can set
Then,
myself.
oh yeah,
I me set myself.
Me know you're my friend. You're intelligent boy, and you have to carry yourself, so you know.
Hey.
Yeah, like, watch out. Big man, that's how you watch out. Rum really deal with them good youth.
Alright, me I tell her. So I go on. So, I can't give me money.
Right now, you see me calling you, but right now, marrying up the same one piece of food, and I have a big you know.
No way I say, me not have a figure now that rum busting on my head and take you all that money buy rum.
So,
We got rum bar.
to your landlord.
My landlord? My landlord? Oh, my landlord? Landlord? Yo, landlord no want to see me. More landlord, much money I hide, me I hide from landlord. Every time me I go, me I feel I hide so. Now look so and I hide so. If you ever see me, right now, you gotta show me things them.
Bad man.
Eh?
Can't believe it. Look at it. Look at my man.
Rum busting it! Rum busting it! So, as what me I say, what go on for you girl?
To America.
Mm-hmm.
You may tell them more piece of food.
I stay far from America now. I don't want you to talk to that girl. I stay far.
Come like you under your rum too much.
Me say I stay far. You know long
the rum talk.
See what you say,
rum
boy.
talk. Say for rum talk.
What sweet nanny goat a go run him belly.
I don't know what I could do. Father God, I want more than that. No one ain't take one. Come on, I know what I'm going to do right now. You know where else me if you look. You can only work. So when I search, I can go and them can't find it. Then tell them go and yeah, and tell right now. See, I'm going to swear right this will put them money gone. I mean, you know, man. No where else if you look for me money. Where am I going to find me money now? Where am I going to find me money now? You tell right now, you know. Tell that man. Okay, man. Is it enough? So I can't find money, I know well. Last place me I look read money, which one you money. So when a boy come and he can't be married, give me money pay the rent. I mash me up now. Come now, what's going to pick up on me, father guy? What is going to pick up on me? I be a light to the man tell me. Be a light. I don't put money, I can't find my money. Wait till when you come and mash me up. You might look man and I want to give me.
To subscribe is free. And subscribe yet.